Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to stop your Mac from uploading to iCloud. So step one, click on this little Apple icon from this corner, select System Settings. Here, click on your name here next to your photo, and then click on iCloud. You will land on this page. Now, next to save it to iCloud, click on See All first, and start turning off the apps that you want to stop from uploading to iCloud. For example, photos. To stop it from uploading to iCloud, click on it, and then next to sync this Mac, turn off this option. Here, do you want to download a copy of your iCloud photos to this Mac? If you don't download any copy, photos and videos that have not been fully downloaded will be removed from this Mac. These items will still be available on other devices using iCloud. So click either on download to keep them on your desktop or on your MacBook, or go with delete from this Mac. In my case, I will hit cancel because I do not want to stop uploading to my iCloud. Same thing for iCloud Drive. This for your files. Turn this off next to sync this Mac. Same thing for desktop and documents folders. Click on back. Same thing for the password, notes, messages in iCloud, iCloud email. As you see, it is already turned off. Find my Mac and so on. After that, click on done. And just this way, you will stop your Mac from uploading to iCloud. And this is how to stop your MacBook or Mac from uploading files to your iCloud. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.